Mark and Lisa bought their first home, $420,000. Mortgage payment, $2,340 per month. They had budgeted carefully. They were ready. 12 months later, they had spent $47,000 on top of their mortgage payments in 1 year. Not from overspending, from costs nobody told them about before they signed. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what those costs were, where they came from, and what financially prepared homeowners do. To avoid being blindsided, stay with me before I show you the hidden costs. I need to explain why mortgage calculators are so dangerously incomplete. A mortgage calculator shows one number, principal and interest. Sometimes it adds estimated taxes and insurance. What it never shows is what actually owning a home costs over a full year. Mark and Lisa's mortgage payment was $2,340, their true monthly cost of ownership by the end of year 1 was closer to $3,900. The gap between those two numbers is what this video is about. Here's the twist. The hidden costs of home ownership are not hidden because they're secret. They're hidden because nobody puts them in the same place as the mortgage payment. And so buyers budget for the mortgage and get surprised by everything else. Now the costs, one by one. Cost 1, property taxes. Mark and Lisa's property taxes, $7,800 per year, $650 per month. Property taxes are not fixed. They rise as assessed home values rise. In many markets, taxes have increased 20% to 40% over the past 5 years alone. This is a cost that grows every year without the homeowner's input. Cost 2, homeowner's insurance. At purchase, $1,800 per year, $150 per month. After their first minor claim in year 1, their premium jumped to $2,740. In many regions, insurance costs have risen 30% to 50% in recent years due to climate-related claims and reinsurance cost increases. Cost 3, maintenance. The standard estimate is 1% of home value per year. On a $420,000 home, that's $4,200 annually. Mark and Lisa spent $6,800 because 1% is an average. And averages don't pay for specific repairs. Their hot water system failed, $1,400. Their fence needed replacement, $3,200. 2 windows needed resealing, $800. Gutters cleaned and repaired, $400. None of it dramatic, all of it real. Cost 4, unexpected repairs, separate from maintenance. Their roof had a section that needed emergency patching after a storm, $2,200. Not budgeted, not planned, just reality. Cost 5, HOA fees. Mark and Lisa's neighborhood had an HOA, $180 per month, $2,160 per year, that they had noted but not fully incorporated into their monthly budget planning. Here's the most important twist. Add all of these together. Property taxes, $650. Insurance, $220. Maintenance average, $350. HOA, $180. Total additional monthly costs, $1,400. On top of the $2,340 mortgage. True monthly cost, $3,640. Not $2,340. The difference is $1,400 per month, or $16,800 per year, that Mark and Lisa had not fully planned for. What financially prepared homeowners do differently? They budget for total ownership cost, not just the mortgage. Before buying, they calculate property tax rate for that specific property, insurance estimate from an actual quote, maintenance reserve of 1% to 1.5% of value. HOA fees, if applicable. And they ask, can we afford all of this? Not just, can we afford the mortgage? They build a dedicated home maintenance fund, separate from emergency savings. Money set aside specifically for the home. So repairs don't become financial crises. They research the property specifically. Age of roof, HVAC system, hot water system, plumbing. Older systems mean higher near-term costs. That due diligence changes the financial picture. Here's the most important twist. Mark and Lisa's $47,000 first year was not unusual. It was the result of a system that shows buyers the mortgage payment and leaves everything else to be discovered. After signing, Mark and Lisa budgeted carefully and still spent $47,000 above their mortgage in year one. Not from mistakes, from costs nobody showed them before they signed. This video just opened a window for you. You've seen the costs that don't appear in calculators and what prepared buyers do differently. What you do with that window is completely yours because everyone's situation is different. One question before you go. Did you know about all of these costs? Before buying or considering buying, drop it in the comments. Next week, how much house can you actually afford? Not what the bank says you can borrow, what you can actually afford, without destroying your financial life. Subscribe, hit the bell. See you next week. Educational content only, not financial, legal, or real estate advice. Always consult a qualified professional in your area.